welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing my wash and go hair routine using this Shea Moisture Make It Last Wash and Go Defining Gel Oil. This says that it is for kinky, curly, coily hair. I wanted to try it just because this product is very watery. You can say, like, it's not thick, as you guys can tell. Look. So I really like products like that for my hair type, just because my hair gets weighed down very easily. So I don't like to apply thick products to my hair, and I thought this would be a great texture to try on my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, as you guys can see, I just got out of the shower. I'm gonna go ahead and start applying the product to my hair because I don't want my hair to get too dry. This is the only thing that I will be applying to my hair. I'm not going to apply anything else besides like an oil, the Shea by Shea Moisture, and I'll show you guys later. So I don't have anything on my hair. I don't have like a leave-in conditioner or anything like that. But what I did whenever I shampooed my hair, I didn't completely rinse all the conditioner out of my hair. I just basically rinsed it out a little bit and left some on my hair for it to kind of like work as a leave-in conditioner, okay? And I'll put right here the information of like what shampoo and conditioner I used today. Wow, this is very, very light. I love the smell. It smells so good. I'm not applying a lot to each section. I'm just applying like about this much. Because like I said, this is so watery that it actually is easy to apply. It actually runs well through the hair, and a little bit really goes a long way. So my hair on this side looks like it's drying a little bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and mist it with some water. So each section I like to divide it into 3 more sections and just apply the product, because I like to make sure that my hair has enough product. I don't want, when my hair gets dry, to have any like dry looking spots of hair where I didn't apply too much product on. So this way it actually allows me to make sure that I'm applying the product throughout the whole, my whole hair. I actually really like how this product is applying. I like how a little bit is going a long way, and it's as I run my fingers through the hair, it feels like it's like applying very good, like throughout the whole hair. Like, I really like it. And the texture of the hair as well, like it feels like not heavy, like, if that makes any sense. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and comb through my hair, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this argan oil head to toe smoothing by Shea Moisture, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit so it can add some more shine to the hair, which actually my hair looks, I know it's wet, but it looks like shiny, if you could say, like, if that makes any sense. It's not a dry looking dry, it looks like it's gonna dry looking good. I'm going to finger curl some of my curls, just a few around the front area. Okay, so once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of scrunch my hair with the t-shirt that I had on. And this is gonna help with the curling, and also is going to take some of the excess water, and it's gonna help with my hair drying faster. Alright, so that is it. That's all I'm going to do to my hair. So now I just gotta wait for my hair to dry, and then I'm gonna come back into the camera and show you guys how my hair looks fully dried, and to see how well my hair did with this product. And yeah. Alright, so this is the final result. My hair is fully dried. I did my hair like around 2, and right now it's currently like 8:30, so that's about like 7 hours that it took for my hair completely to dry, and this is the result. I really like the result. I feel like my hair, it didn't weigh down my hair, of course, because it's so, the product is so like watery and it's not so thick, so that's a good thing. I like that it didn't weigh down my hair. Like right now my hair feels like I barely have any product, so that's pretty good. I really like that feeling. I don't like a product that is so thick that you can feel like you could feel the product on your hair, even though you just washed, you know, it was the first day of your wash and go. Some products can give you that feeling, but this one is so light that it doesn't give you, you know, it doesn't give you that feeling, and I really like that about this product. It gave my hair some volume, of course, because it's so not, like I said, it's not thick. So at first it did, whenever it was drying, my hair did start feeling just a little bit crunchy, but then whenever you mess with it to get some volume, you know, like that, the feeling goes away and it doesn't look like flaky or anything, because you will assume that if your hair is crunchy and then you move it, you mess with it, it starts like looking white, you know, like gels can give you that white flaky look when you mess with it. This one's didn't do that, so I really like that as well. My hair does look a little dry, but I don't think that's anything to do with the product. That's just my hair right now that is really dry. But yeah, I feel like my curls look really good, and I have a lot of volume. I like it. So I'm very impressed with this product. I really like it. I'm gonna be putting the price around here because I really don't remember how much it retails for, but I'm gonna be putting it around here. Let me know what you think in the description box if you guys try this product out and how did it work for you. And also if there's any product that you guys would like for me to try out, leave it down in the comments so I can check it out. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.